Whoa, do you want to get paid to re-upload simple YouTube videos? If I offered to show you a way that you can make a minimum of $500 per week from YouTube without the need to get on camera or record any videos of your own that you could do from anywhere in the world for practically free, would you take me up on this offer? Pay close attention, okay? Because in this exciting episode today, I will show you a full tell-all tutorial to bank consistent income re-uploading videos to YouTube. In fact, I will show you every single detail to make money in the next 20 minutes, including why you are struggling to make money on YouTube doing this one thing. I mean, stop this and your income will bump up almost immediately. Live income proof that this works even for beginners. Step by step how to make videos that people love to watch without ever showing your face. The Doogie Howser Boy Genius method that shows you so many topics to talk about you can't decide which to start with. Secret to earning cash money making YouTube videos without any recording. Just download and re-upload, okay? And how to earn $500 per week as a beginner with only 60 minutes of work daily. And just in case you're wondering, will this work for you? You don't need any prior experience or qualifications to do this. You don't need any money to get started. You don't need to be tacky. You don't need to be charismatic with a personality. And this is available to anyone in the world. In fact, here's proof of a few people from all over the world who are using this exact method to earn continuous sales on autopilot. So guess what? You can do this too. In fact, watch somewhere towards the end of this video because I will even share with you the simple secret to profitable YouTube channels that make money on complete autopilot. Okay, nothing's gonna be held back here, because imagine taking your children on a middle of the week vacation and receiving a message from someone thanking you for the amazing simple video you made that helped them. Then a notification for several $100 commissions deposited into your bank account. Commission sales that pour in automatically day after day passively for months and even years. A life of freedom and abundance with your family that you have always dreamed of. Now if that sounds good, then this may be for you. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, getting results, and living the choice lifestyle you deserve, subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell, and join us, the Choice Crusaders crew. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online that will empower you with the mindset and the skill set to live free, then check out the link in the description below. All right, now let's get into today's video. All right, hey there, let's get started. All right, very excited because I'm going to share with you exactly how you're going to earn $500 per week simply by re-uploading videos on YouTube. Okay, if you wanted to know any method that would actually pay you a long-term real income, okay, a real income online, this is probably the ones you definitely want to pay attention to, because like I said, it's free, it's easy, it's worldwide. Pay attention. It's the 8-step process that any beginner, yes, even you, can do. Now all I need you to do is take out pen and paper and take notes so that we can get going. Oh, but before we do, you're probably thinking, hey Chris, does this really work? Will I really make any money? Yes, it does, okay? Because pay attention, I'm going to show you real quick. Hey, these are some of the commission payments that I have made recently, a couple $100 I've made using this exact method of re-uploading videos on YouTube and making money. As you can see here on my ClickBank, I've made well over $1,200. Okay, not a whole lot of money here, okay? Not a whole lot of money, but I have made something, okay? So just to tell you that this works, Digistore made about $1,700 here, as you can see, for 2020 just alone. So yes, this method definitely works. Pay attention. You can definitely earn and make money, real good money for this long term if you pay attention, okay? So if you're ready, let's get started. Pardon the interruption, my friend, but hey, are you enjoying this video so far? Getting value? Then hey, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, all right? And go ahead and tell me where you're coming from, all right? Where in the world are you from? Where you're trying to learn how to make this money, all right? So if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. All right, step 1 in this 8-step process, beginner process. I hope you got your notes. Well, let's get going. Select a very sub niche, okay? This is the thing. The niche picking process is probably the most important process, okay? Number 1, because that's where you're going to make the most money. You want to get very sub in the niches. They say that the riches are in the niches. That's because the targeted people that are in those places have very specific questions and solutions and problems that you can offer solutions for, and they will gladly pay money for. And the 8 best profitable niches I'm going to share with you, because it cost me a couple $1,000s to learn this. That is technology, it is health and beauty, finance, relationships, food and drink, automotive, home and garden, and hobbies, okay? Any one of these will work really well. And if you're using YouTube channels like we're doing right now, you can do any of these channel types will work because they're faceless and you don't require having to record videos to do them. And that can be list type channels, luxury type channels, because right, the high end make more money, top 10 type channels, and reviews. Of course, you can have all 4 of these combined in any one of these channels, all right? So once you decide on a niche, for example, we're gonna use pet care in this video, video, for example. The next stage is step 2. Find a few successful channels in your niche who are already doing it. Here is the key. If you want to know how you can get started quickly and fast and make the most money and not trip over the most of the stumbling blocks that most people get in the beginning, and that is to find someone who's already doing exactly what it is you're doing and model them, okay? That is the key. That is the key, my friend. The reason why you are struggling is because you are trying to reinvent the wheel. Please do not do that, okay? We've already decided that pet care is where we're going to go. Then all we need to do is go to Google, my friend, and I just typed in best pet care YouTube channels, and you can get a list of the best ones that are there. Find out, take a look at them, or you can just go to YouTube, for example, type in pet care, and you will see a bunch of videos with popular YouTube channels that are doing exactly what your marketplace wants. Because guess what? These guys have already done the market research. They already know what people want, because guess what? People are watching their videos, so that's how you would know. For example, you could go to this chick here. I can see Emma Sampson here. She's one of the YouTube channel YouTubers, or pet tubers, what they call them. She's got some good content here that people are watching. She's in the pet niche. What about this guy here? He was on the list that we just searched, Tyler Rugg. He's obviously into pets as well. Or what about this one? I like this one right here, 101 rabbits, okay? Number one, it's very niche specific, not just pet care, but rabbits pet care, okay? You see what I'm saying? This is within niches, okay? If there's someone who's very specific, looking for answers, and they're doing that, and I love the type of content here. You can see they're answering questions, lots of good stuff that you can get here, and what's even nicer is that the videos are all very clip-based, no personality in any of them. Very, very key for this method, okay? Or you can look at Brightside. I like this channel as well. Very popular channel. As you can see, 35.7 million subscribers. But what's even cooler was that I just typed in pet right here to search their channels, and look at all these videos they have on pets. Take a look at these thumbnails and these headlines, because these are key. And guess what? None of these have any personalities. They all use the very specific method that we are going to talk about. And I love this one as well, called Animal Wise as well. Look at the video clips. They have no type of personality. They're just clips of pets. This is perfect, okay? Now, by the way, before we get started, I just want to show you that, hey, how much money are these channels making? I just went to Social Blade. It's a great website. It will show you, give you a roundabout idea of how much money they're making on AdSense. They didn't tell you about everything else, but just AdSense alone. Compared Emma, I compared Brightside, I compared Animal Wise. If you come down here, take a look at these estimated earnings. As you can see, she's making about $708 every month. Brightside is obviously making $461,000 because he has, well, 35 million subscribers, so that makes sense. And then there's $17,000 per month here. As you can see, this is very simple. You can easily be making $500 per month right here, just on AdSense alone. We're not even talking about the method on how to cash in and monetize every single video without ever showing your face. We haven't even started talking about it. I'm telling you, this is exciting. I don't know if you're excited, but this is extremely exciting. This is probably the ballpark of what you could expect, over $200,000, right? You know, per year. And of course, they've got 345,000 subscribers. You're building the same type of videos that I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so once we've found our niche specific type channels that we want to model, that have the success that we want, what's next? Create a script. It's very simple. You want to know how you find unlimited content? Unlimited content? You literally just go and note the most popular topics on their channels. That's it. Note the most popular ones. Now, stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you a very secret, sneaky way to be able to find and do that research very, very easily. And oh, by the way, if you wanted to know exactly how you can find which channels, even more channels, and do more research and find very secret ones that you can't really, with these different strategies, stick to the end. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. Okay. But for example, you would just note the 30 most best topics on these channels, or any one of them that you want, that you find, note them on the pad, on an Excel sheet. All right. And then you're going to go to Google and start doing research on the different topics. Okay. You could possibly outsource this to Fiverr if you like, but I think this would be worth it for you to do the research on that. You can get a Google Doc, and you're looking at just a couple words for a nice video. What's next? Step 4, you're going to then create a voiceover of the script. Okay, that's it. You have a Google Doc that has your entire script or whatever you wrote out for the particular topic, and you're going to do a voiceover. Now, you can go to very simple things. You can do Audacity. Audacity is like a free open source software tool that will record your audio for you. It's very simple. Or you can do something like Zoom videos. People are using Zoom. They actually will give you a free audio in it too when you use it, the video file and the audio file. Or you can do something like Camtasia. Come to Camtasia. I like Camtasia because it is a video recorder and an audio recorder all at the same time. So you can record the screen as you're reading your script right off the page. Okay, so it's very simple. Then step 5 is really, I mean, it does cost some money, but it's a one-time fee, so that's why I like Camtasia. Step 5 is then it's very simple. This is easy so far, right? I mean, literally the work is so simple and easy, right? You've picked a niche, you found the channels, you got the a topic, you did some research, you wrote out a couple sentences, maybe 3 or 4 paragraphs, good enough for a nice little decent sized video, and then you're gonna then create the audio file, and then you're gonna create a video with free stock video clips. Okay, that's it. That's the secret, the magic of this. You don't even have to record anything because you can use stock video clips to do the whole thing. You can go to places like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks to do that. So for example, Pexels has tons of free video clips. Like these are free video clips that you can use in your videos. Okay, literally, if I just come in here and type in pets, we'll be able to find tons of clips of videos of pets. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay. And by the way, I did this already, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. And you can do that, or you can come to Storyblocks. Storyblocks will give you even more. You do have to pay a little bit more money, but I tell you though, I use Storyblocks and the quality of their video clips and stock footage is so good. So again, anyway, either way, you can find free stuff. And then all you're going to do is use a software, an editing software tool to piece them all together. So easy. Now, if you're looking for a free audio software tool, editing software tool, you can check out OpenShot. This is some really good one. It's free and it's very simple and basic, and you can piece in all your video clips together very easily and create a nice little video, as you can see here. Or of course, you can use Camtasia. As you can see, I like Camtasia, and basically all I did was all those video clips you just saw, I downloaded them, right? Literally just downloaded them, put them up here, put them all together, as you can see here, in different sections. Okay, I already recorded I recorded already the script on the same video, and then just paste each video clip on top of it. Bam, and look at that, we got a nice video. Okay, look at that, and then the video is done. You could upload the entire video to YouTube. And of course, before you do, you're gonna definitely add some free music to it. All right, so add some music to make it so that sound good. You're looking for some free music. All right, all you gotta do is just go to YouTube. YouTube has a free audio library. Literally just type it in and it'll take you here, and you can see they have tons of free copyright free tracks that you can use on your videos. What is that? Step 6. After that, you're on a home stretch. It's so simple, right? Then you're gonna upload the YouTube video to YouTube and then SEO optimize them. Okay, so whatever keywords you were using, right, that you were going after, for example, in this particular video that I used was pet care routines or something like that, you would just optimize that in the title, in the description, in the tags, in the video. Okay, you can use keywords everywhere and vidIQ to do some more keyword research if you needed to. So for example, if you looked at Brightside, right, they said, I mean, you could take any one of these videos right here and say 12 signs your pet is crying. Maybe pet is crying was the key word, right? If you open up that video to take a look at it, you can then see real quick what they did, right? Just pick your signs your pet is crying. They probably put pet is crying in here as a couple places. They put a little bit of timestamps, did a summary. I mean, this is really good because it includes a bunch of keywords, and they wrote a lot of good stuff here. You can see the video tags. If you have vidIQ like I do, you can see their video tags right here, and you can see what they're targeting. I mean, making sure that the video is optimized to be found on YouTube, because remember, YouTube is a search engine. That's the way it's going to show it to people who are looking for it, and you can make even more money with all the traffic. What's step 7? Creating good thumbnails. You can do this for free just by going on Canva, right? I use Canva all the time. You can come here and create all kinds of designs, any kind of design you're looking for. They have them here, especially YouTube thumbnails. And what I recommend, the trick to making money and making sure that it works and get the click-throughs you're looking for, is to model the thumbnails from the channels that you're using, because obviously it's working. So you'd want to do something like this. Something has this little catchy, you know, very curiosity-driven type thumbnails that make people think, and it's very animated. That seems to work. So you want to do something like that. Or of course, you can then just outsource it on Fiverr, which I probably think would probably be the best thing to do. Then step 8, monetize with affiliate links. Okay, you're going to take affiliate links from affiliate programs. Literally all you need to do is go to Google. I typed in pet affiliate programs, found a bunch of them, apply to these various type of programs, or you can go to places like Digistore and ClickBank as well. Look into what they have, because they have plenty of stuff. Apply for the programs, get the links, add them in the descriptions of the videos that you're looking at. For example, if you had it in this video, you would just put it here in the description here so that someone can see it. If they wanted more information on how to take care of their pets, then that's how you make money. Of course, you can get AdSense revenue on top of that. Bam. You may be thinking, oh my God, Chris, that is a lot. Okay, was that a whole lot to take in? Do you feel like you need help? Do you feel like you need it to be a whole lot slower, to step-by-step walkthrough for you, someone to take your hand all the way through the process, because maybe you don't know how to find all the right channels and how to make the video step by step? Hey, shoot, I didn't even tell you exactly how to get this entire thing automated so that you never have to do any of this and then pass passive income is flowing into your bank account every single day, or how to do this entire process that I just showed you in like maybe in half the time effortlessly, even if you work a full-time job, you have kids at home and so many things going on. Well, if that's the case, the only thing I can tell you is that you need help, and what you're looking for is Tube Takeoff. That's right, this course right here by my boy Andy Heffel is pretty much the best way, and he calls it a unique way to grow, monetize, and automate your YouTube channel without ever having to make videos. This is the step-by-step training you are looking for. If you are serious and ready to make money on YouTube and you're not ready to show your face, but you want something passive that will grow without you, and you can just be banking every single day for the rest of your life, because I mean, I imagine YouTube's gonna be around for a long time, then this is exactly what you are looking for. And he shows you everything you do. You don't need any product creation. You don't need customer support with this. You don't need paid traffic with this. He's gonna show you how YouTube and affiliate marketing are the best combination for you right now to make money online now and long term. And just in case you think that I'm playing around, this is exactly how I have built my channel at the time of this video at 16,000 subscribers. And he called me here. I mean, this is me talking about it. I was at 5,000, and I just posted about it. And it's not just me. There's tons of people who have gotten tons of results from using this exact method. All of them who have never done YouTube before, who had failed at everything before and started getting results with this training. It's proven and tested. It's up to date. It works for anybody. Anywhere in the world can do this. It does not matter if people in India, if people in the US, if people in Europe, it does not matter. It's systematized, proven step by step, and works every single time consistently. As you can see, like I said, there's tons of people who are getting results, finally making their first sales, people who are finally seeing traction with their videos. My good friend Delani here growing to 20,000 subscribers, and of course, tons of testimonials. You can see, if you want, you can see my testimonial right here. I'm telling you, this thing works. I'm not just saying it. I have proof. You see how much money I've made. You can see my channel. Go to it right now. At the time, my channel's probably almost at 20,000 by the time you see this. And of course, all the bonuses you're going to get, everything you need to walk you step by step to making money with this thing. I definitely recommend you to check this out. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, because if you're looking for results, then you can do this. You can do this. The only difference between you and everybody else is the mindset and skill set. The mindset means that you have faith in yourself and belief in yourself that you can do this, that you are no different from anybody else, that all is required, all is missing is the skills, and that you can learn them. And it doesn't matter how long it takes you to learn them. It may take you months and longer than everybody else, but you can learn them too. You just need the faith in yourself and the belief that you can do this, the right skill sets, which this training has, and you can be earning long-term income on one of the most incredible platforms ever developed in human history, YouTube. Okay, so definitely check that out. Hope you got value from this video. I hope you took action. Very simple way to make money online with YouTube. You don't even have to show your face, all right? So I hope you got value. If you did, hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. And like I said, if you want to check out the Tube Takeoff, your answer to making money online with YouTube, check out the link in the description below, all right? So until next exciting episode, my friend, you be blessed, stay hungry. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.